Ladies, Prophet Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and let there be peace in Igbo land. They say one trailer wey carry rice say hungry women for Ibadan don shakoko the trailer. No be small thing o. Okay, my wonderful people, you are welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. No be small thing dey happen o. They say kasala don burst and they say water don pass garri. We'll quickly rush am for this one. Go look into the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. I say no be small thing o. One BiafraLiberation army don come outside come talk say all those people wey think say dey hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and they think say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say Biafra no go come. Say they dey dream say Biafra must surely come. He said for this one, Biafra go come and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go come outside the heady. We go play you the video may you watch. So, but before we play the video, we'll go ahead, go read out this particular news we will get for our table today. They say some people where kidnappers attack their vehicle is stranded in the bush. I don't know if they have rescued them by now. But we are going to look into where the incident happened right now and tell you people. So we'll continue. They did disclose the actual place where they are coming from, but they said they are on their way to Lagos State before some kidnappers start shooting their vehicle, and unfortunately they fall into a bush and they don't know their location. And we are going to play the video right now for you to watch before we proceed in the other video.
Well, we are close to Okene, Steve and me. Close to Okene. Okay. We're escaping around into the bush. We don't know where we are now.
Please, I'm Ferdinand Atabo Stephen. Where?
Please, I'm David Agia.
Chinemer favor. I'll go Chinemer.
We are on our way to Lagos State. When we were ambushed on the way, they started shooting on our vehicles. Some people were killed along the road there. We managed to escape. Please.
Okay, my wonderful people, all you have to do is to share this video. If you recognize the face of those people where you see for there, may you try call, may you know the location where they are going from. But they said they are going to Lagos, so that the people in charge can immediately go and look for those people and rescue them. Thank you so much for sharing if you do so. Okay, my people, may we go look into this ogbonge news. Where one BiafraLiberation army don't come outside, send message. We go play you the video, may you watch it. A good may use in math talk everything we talk for this video. And before we proceed, I watch the video, we will continue.
And that sacrifice his mother, his father, his good life in his kingdom for your well-being. He have never did anything evil. He have never did anything evil. Rather, he speak the truth. It is because of Nnamdi Kanu make our women now they go farm. It is because of Nnamdi Kanu make our women now they safe. It is because of Nnamdi Kanu that make at least the Fulani terrorists not conquering us. Because he came up, he exposed them. And they knew that this man knew more than what they expected of him. And then begin to withdraw back themselves. By now, Fulani could have taken over Imo State. By now, Fulani could have taken over Anambra State. By now, Fulani could have taken over Ebonyi State. By now, Fulani could have taken over Enugu State. By now, Fulani could have taken over Abia State. But because of that single one man, Nnamdi Kanu, the mission of Fulani taking over Biafra land become impossible. And that is why it must be always celebrated. Unless you are evil, the son of darkness, that you will say, if you skip day, Sunday, to go and worship the sun god that you never knew, they say he died for you. You never see him. When you were never born, say 2,000 years ago, you skip day to go and worship unknown God. Why can't you also skip day to praise this very God, this very Son of God you know, that have sacrificed everything for you? If you really claim you are the child of light, I want to appreciate all of you that I really keep this day, this very Monday only for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. As tomorrow, as you are going to your market tomorrow, may God times 10 give you what you are expecting. May you prosper in your way. But for those who did not keep this day only, may God punish them. May they run loss upon loss. May they suffer in pain. May they cry for help and they will never see help until they learn to appreciate good things. Because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the only good things that happen to Igbo, to Biafrans. And whosoever that fail to celebrate him is evil. The blood of 30 million innocent souls that were killed by Nigeria terrorist people will be upon them. So therefore, may God continue to bless and protect him in DSS dungeon. And may God render fire from Amadioha to consume Nigeria. And may God bless Simon Ekpa and all those who are contributing for the success of the restoration of this great nation of Biafra. I don't want to dwell long. I mark up 30 minutes for this, just to appreciate those who appreciate good things. You know, ESM and BiafraLiberation Army will never give up. The day we look back is the day we die. We have taken an oath to defend this life, this land of Biafra with our life, till the last blood in us. So we can never give up. Not now, not ever. Because this is the land whom Chukwu Kika Abiyama give to our ancestors, that give to our forefather, that give to our father, that gave to us. And this land, we must hand over it to our children in a very good shape and in good faith. Without the presence of Fulani, without the presence of Hausa and Yoruba, without the presence of Britain in it. And our children will enjoy this land in a very good shape. So if you think you can stop us, come and try. And let us show you that the Biafra land, the land of Biafra, get teeth and it will bite you. Let us show you that the land of Biafra has belly, it will swallow you. Yes. From me, from the land of Biafra, the blessed land of Biafra, it is good evening. Enjoy your day.
Okay, my wonderful people. No be smart, I don't hear am as in talk am for you. Oh, mad, koro. This one no be saying na we talk am, na him talk am. Mazi Nnamdi truly sacrificed his mother and his father, and as a prince wey him be, wey suppose dey enjoy wetin dey come outside for him land, but him say no, say him go fight for the liberation of for Biafras. But many Biafra today are the ones who are persecuting this young man. My prayer is that you that love evil, evil will always follow you. But you that love good, good will always follow you. In this struggle, Mazi Nnamdi must come aside, heady and sound. But those who are planning evil against him shall fall into that plan. Okay, my people, na so we see am today, and now we say mo bring am come give una. May we go Ibadan right now, go look inside wetin dey happen for that side. They say one full car, that is one car that carried rice inside. So the people, the market women, vandalize. No be small thing, they say they shakoko the trailer. They say they sackpa everything wey dey for inside that car wey carry this particular rice. And they suspect say na government palliative na e carry. If you see where they drag rice, may you see the level of hunger wey dey for Nigeria now. Things are really happening. People are angry. Things are happening. If this continue, I mean say Nigeria fit come dey use person dey do pork meat as we dey see am. Mo play you the video, may you watch, because e good may they explain for us better. Welcome back. As I've watched that video and see how these women are stealing from this particular vehicle that carried this rice, and they say that this guy belongs to government, and nobody know the actual truth. What of it? This car is not, it is not, this car didn't belong to government. What is the owner of this rice is going to do, this business is going to do? And hope government is going to do something. Since you people have removed the subsidy and hungry is in the land, what do you expect people to do? This is an example of what will happen to your home if you refuse to do the needful for the people. People will invade your home and steal the one you have. No be smart, Okay, my people, I want you contribute, put for the whole matter what will bring come for you today. Don't forget to share this video so that the people we know those people, where kidnappers, push you go inside bush, go find a way to locate them. And what do you think about what the BiafraLiberation Army have said? And what do you also think about this video that will play you now, that this woman are stealing rice? This one is a pure stealing. No be so much, Okay, now we'll see you for the next video we will upload. May you leave your own opinion for comment section and share the video. Thank you so much.